Will AI make kids lazy or smarter? The truth parents need to know. Are you worried that AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, or Khan Academy will make your child lazy? In today's world of AI-powered learning, many parents fear that technology is replacing effort instead of building it. But here's the truth, AI is not the problem, how kids use it is what matters. In this video, we will break down the biggest myth about AI in education and show you how to turn AI into a powerful learning assistant instead of a shortcut. If you're a parent, teacher, or homeschooler, this video will help you confidently guide your child in the age of AI. The myth is simple. AI will make kids lazy. And yes, this can happen. When AI is used to replace thinking, kids may stop trying. Instead of solving a problem, they just ask for the answer. That's not learning, that's outsourcing thinking. But here's the truth. AI becomes powerful when it supports understanding, not replaces effort. Imagine your child struggling with math or reading. Instead of frustration, AI can break down concepts step by step, explain things in different ways, adapt to your child's pace. Platforms like Khan Academy are already integrating AI to do exactly this. That's not laziness. That's personalized learning. Here's the key difference maker. AI doesn't replace guidance, it requires it. Try this simple shift. Instead of asking, "What's the answer?" encourage your child to ask, "Can you explain how this works?" And then follow up with questions like, "Why do you think that? Can you explain it back to me?" This keeps their brain active, not passive. Here's something most parents don't realize. AI can actually boost creativity. For example, with kids can write and understand stories, brainstorm ideas, explore topics deeper, quiz themselves in contents learned, improve learning independence with an augmented approach. When used well, AI doesn't limit thinking, but instead will expand it. And here's another important truth. Learning how to use AI is becoming a future skill for your child. Just like using a calculator or the intern. Kids who learn to use AI wisely will have a huge advantage. So, will AI make kids lazy? The answer is, it depends on how it's used. AI is just a tool. And like any tool, guidance makes all the difference. What do you think? Is AI helping kids learn or making them lazy? Comment below, myth or fact. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and share this video link with another parent. Because smarter kids start with smarter guidance. Come back again for other insightful videos.